Hi everyone, Nerdy Tech here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, we are going to talk about the all the latest leaks and information we have about iPhone 14. If you have not subscribed to the channel, make sure to subscribe for our latest tech news. Let's talk about iPhone 14. So we know there is a lot of we are hearing in current days for iPhone 14. Earlier we got to know that iPhone 14 is coming with a pill-shaped design. But what we got now is not that good in my opinion, if it is really coming. Yes, according to the latest leaks, we got to know that iPhone 14 is coming with pill plus punch hole. Till the time people heard about pill design, everyone was excited about it because iPhone finally have decided to make a change in their design. But punch hole plus pill design is something that is not getting liked, and in my opinion, it does not look that good. We hope that they'll bring some more leaks and that'll bring a better design for us. Now talking about some other leaks that are around for iPhone 14, it is coming with 120Hz and 6 GB of RAM for all the models. Earlier in iPhone 13 it was only with Pro models, but this time it is coming with all the models of iPhone 14. And finally iPhone have decided to move to 46 megapixel from their old 12 megapixel camera. Now 46 megapixel camera have capabilities to record video in 8K as well. As per the rumors, iPhone is expected to be released somewhere in September 22. In rumors, we have heard that Touch ID can be seen, but again, it is not sure if it will be released with 14 models or they have hold it up for the next series of release. Talking about the pricing, it is tipped that iPhone 14 will start from $799, which is $100 more than iPhone 13, and the price increase is because of the increase in the cost of the production. Still, it is very early to say about iPhone 14, but with the leaks we have till the time, let me know what's your thought in the comment. Are you liking the design of pill plus punch hole? For me, it's not looking that good because other phone in markets are having a even better design and even a under display camera. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked our content, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.